In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Trello to Notion. We'll walk through the entire process inside Notion step by step so you can smoothly bring your Trello data into your Notion workspace and keep everything in sync without switching between apps all the time. First, open Notion and head to your home view. This is usually the main landing page you see when you first sign in. Make sure you're in the correct workspace where you actually want the Trello connection to live, especially if you're part of multiple workspaces. Next, look for the Settings option. Depending on your layout, this is typically in the left sidebar, often under the workspace name or in a menu with your account options. Click on Settings to open the Workspace Settings window. This is where Notion keeps everything related to your account, billing, and, importantly for us, connections and integrations. Inside Settings, find and click on the Connections section. This is Notion's hub for all the external tools it can integrate with. It's designed so you can manage everything from one place without needing to dig through menus. From here, you'll see an option to browse available connections in the gallery. Go ahead and click on Browse Connections in Gallery. This opens Notion's integrations gallery in your browser, showing a list of all tools that can connect with Notion. In the search bar of the gallery, type in Trello. You might see a result that's branded or highlighted as the Trello integration for Notion. Once you see the Trello option appear, click on it to open the integrations detail page. This page usually explains what the integration does, what permissions it needs, and any key features. On that Trello integration page, click on Add to Notion. This tells Notion you want to install and use this connection in your workspace. You may see a confirmation pop up in Notion asking you to allow this connection. Click OK to continue. This step is important because it grants the integration access to your workspace in a controlled and secure way. Next, click on Connect. This will redirect you to Trello's authorization page. Here, Trello wants to make sure it's really you who's trying to connect your account. Click Log In and sign in to Trello if you aren't already. Once you're logged in and approve the access, your Trello account will be connected to Notion and you're ready to start using the integration.